Today we paint tulips in watercolor with PictureUP Creative Space. Start painting the middle petal. Do 2 small curved lines. Add a brush stroke to the right and one to the left. And some fine lines on the side. 2 little dots for the back leaves. Now do a second one the same way as the first one. Start in the middle with the middle petal. Add 2 little strokes on the side and fine strokes for the outer leaves. Next step, take a darker shade of orange. Work wet in wet and bring in some depths. It's so wonderful when the colors blend into each other. This is the beauty of watercolor painting and to paint these loose watercolor flowers. It's so easy to do and it's always great to see how they come out. Take a thin brush and draw green lines for the stems. Where the stems touch the flower, make a few little dips so the green color can bleed into the orange. With tiny zigzag lines, create nice fine little leaves. So easy and quick to paint. Try it yourself. Take your brush and colors and paint along. Hope you enjoyed this video. There are more flowers to paint. Have a look on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.